This is Alyssa from Theory of Trucking, and I'm here today to share some facts regarding the realities of distracted driving. 9 people in the US are killed every day in crashes that are reported to involve distracted driving. Anything that takes your attention away from driving can be a distraction. Sending a text, talking on your phone, using a navigation system, and eating while driving are a few examples of distracted driving. Any of these distractions can endanger you, your passengers, or the motoring public. There are 3 main types of distractions: visual, manual, and cognitive. Visual, meaning taking your eyes off the road; manual, meaning taking your hands off the wheel; and cognitive, taking your mind off the road. 55 miles an hour. Sending or reading a text is like driving the length of a football field with your eyes closed. In the US, over 3,100 people were killed and about 424,000 were injured in crashes involving distracted driving in 2019. And about 1 in 5 of the people who died involving said crashes were not in vehicles. They were walking or riding their bikes or otherwise outside of a vehicle. About 3,000 people die in crashes involving distracted driving per year. So just remember, everybody, eyes on the road, hands on the wheel. People's lives depend on it.